Hey there, Shankar, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. This video is one that I haven't done, for a long time. Some of the best cryptocurrencies for long-term investing, short-term investing. But in this bear market, I thought, you know what? Let's talk about which cryptocurrencies we should be thinking about for a long-term investment. Without any further ado, let's get this video started. All right, so when it's bear market, or as people like to say, when the market is down, it's time to buy. You're buying everything on a discount, which is true. A lot of big business investors love this time. They pray for the time of a crash. They wait for crashes, and I know this personally because I met one of these guys. I met one of these really big real estate investor in the Niagara region, which is in Canada. If you heard about Niagara Falls, so that region, and he told me about we wait for this crash. In the 2012 crash, he pretty much 10x his portfolio valuation because he strategically invested, and in the times when it was really bad for people, and he invested into those same real estate properties. He was able to buy like entire apartment buildings. He just waited a few years as the economic situation got normal, and then he sold that. He's like, I pretty much 10x from multiple ways because he had leveraged some. We can't do some of that stuff, but he, just trying to tell you that a lot of businesses, a lot of VCs, a lot of investors wait for a crash. So, anywho, markets down. Which cryptos should you be investing in? Let's talk about this. Number one, Ethereum. Why am I saying Ethereum? Well, the market is down, and even if it goes a little bit more down, Ethereum is such a stronghold project where the entire crypto
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
ecosystems will have to be destroyed for Ethereum to fall. It's such a safe investment in regards to crypto, even though crypto in itself is a volatile investment. But within that crypto bubble, I'll say Ethereum is one of them because almost all projects have to interact with it in one way or another, or multiple projects. Majority of the projects have to interact with it. Two, there's a lot of projects that are using it as their base utility. For example, they build upon Ethereum, and what that does is for whatever project, like whatever token that they have or whatever ecosystem that they're developing on top of Ethereum, any transaction that happens requires the ETH token. So which means if anybody wants to get involved with their project, they have to buy ETH to get, pretty much invest in that. So Ethereum is known as one of the founding bases of altcoins, or what we say is like interactive projects where they're trying to create a DAO. They're doing work in regards to innovating the entire crypto world. They've created things like Etherscan and multiple other projects that came after. So not only that, let's talk about the team, right? Vitalik, known as
अबे जल्दी बोल
a young genius, is leading the Ethereum team. And when you look at Vitalik, I gotta invest in this in this project. There's something right. So, Ethereum. Number two, I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin, but I gotta say, when it comes to security, when it comes to a strong project to be investing in as just a base, is Bitcoin. It's not even a project. Bitcoin in itself is the founding of crypto, and every what we say crypto enthusiast or crypto person who gets into crypto, they first learn about Bitcoin. They want to invest in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin holds that aspect of value and hold the aspect of being the king of cryptos. And so think about Bitcoin as gold, and think of Ethereum, the one that I mentioned before, as a project that is like a software. Take that as more of a business, and take Bitcoin as more of gold. And gold in the long run is always holding value, and it's a strong investment. Plus, on top of that, Bitcoin halving is about to start, which is pretty much the return of how much BTC each miner gets is cut in half, which means that there's a lower supply, demand continues stays the same or even goes up, which means the price of the token will go up. Anywho, so this is something you guys should also look into. Next thing. So I'm gonna put these two together, so it's 3 and 4, but you can say 3 plus 4 position. It would be Polkadot and Solana, because both of these projects are great for application development, software type of development. The reason why I keep saying software, or I keep saying business, is because it's easier for people to understand. So both of these are phenomenal for developing on top of and creating newer projects which are very applicable in the new generation of where blockchain finance and crypto is heading. Number five, I would say is BNB. Then the reason why I'm saying BNB is similar to Ethereum. BNB currently is the project that every uh, altcoin, or as we like to say, shitcoin, is developed upon. Majority of them, and this is because it's cheaper to develop on it, it's easier to develop on it, and a lot of people who are coming into crypto, they are coming into crypto through those means because a lot of marketing is being done on the basis of those altcoins. So people are learning about crypto on those altcoins. When they come to learn about crypto, then they have to interact with BNB, and then that's how they start developing their skill sets within BNB. The next project I want to talk about is Polygon. Again, Polygon is a phenomenal project. I talked a lot about it before, so check out Polygon. And the next one is a little bit more controversial, and I think this is the reason why you want to jump in it, is XRP, because still XRP is having a lot of discussion when it comes to big banks and government integration. So if everything works out, and I know it's been 2 years or a year of this conflict or this discussion, but if it goes through, then it's a potential of a big, big bang. All right, guys, this is just a quick video about some of the projects that I'm investing in for the long run over the bear market to make some money, a little bit more safe, and some projects that are still showing signs of development, growth, and success. Hope you guys like this video. Take care of yourself. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. Obviously, this is non-financial advice. Do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Check me out on my other social media. Assalamu alaikum.